I'm Lauren Milligan. I'm an interior designer in New Hampshire.
Jeremy Doucet of Lighthouse Contracting Group in Gilford, New Hampshire. My favorite room in the media realm.
This space down in the lower level was really built around the 1935 Chris Craft that the homeowner wanted to incorporate.
There's a lot of custom fabrication to bring this boat in here and make it function as it is now. The welding fabricator that made the radius railings for upstairs, he custom made all these bar stools that have the boat number cut into the foothold, all the stanchions that come up through the hull to hold the glass. He did an incredible job.
And the boat lights work.
Yeah, horn was gonna work, but we decided that probably wasn't
well, they have four small grandkids, but it is a crowd pleaser among the grandkids.
There's a lot of inventory in this lakes region that's dated. It's on the lake. People are looking for beautiful homes, but it's dated. It's hard for them to see what's possible. If they see the before and after of this home, they could see what they could make with the inventory that's out there.
I'd say bring it on.
Yeah, let's bring it on.